morning and welcome to my channel. Sharon here. Today I'm making some tags for the Grungy Numbers journal, and I've got a couple of, I don't know, these are scrap bits. This is a file folder. I'm not sure. I think that probably is as well. And then I do have a piece from the Tim Holtz card, the cool Cardstock card. I've obviously used the other half for something else. So I need to cut these into tags that are 3 by 6. This is, whoops, that way. This is 6 already. So I will cut a couple out of this. I've got 2 from the Tim Holtz, 2 from the craft card, but the file folder was quite thin, so I've stuck 2 together just to make it a bit sturdier. Now I want to do some inking around these, and I'm going to use walnut stain for that. It needs to be a little bit darker. I have tried in the past with this craft card with vintage photo, but it just doesn't, it's too light. I've done all of them. Now this one I've inked around the edge with scorched timber as well. These 2 I want to grunge up, so I'm just going to use this on both of these, just to make the edges a bit rougher as well. So that's them 2 done. Just really go for it with this, will really rough them up. This one I'm going to use my sandpaper and just go around like this. And now what I intend to do is just ink around the edges of this one in scorched timber. So they're both done like that, and then all 5 of them have got to have their pieces, the tops, made into tags. Okay, now I want to do some stamping. I'm going to be using, I've got a selection of stamps here from samples, numbers from the past, signatures, Stamperia, a Stamperia set, and the Tim Holtz eccentric sentiments, and some just grid lines. I've taken this one here, and then also the Stampers Anonymous Tim Holtz paint by number. I realised that while I was looking for this, I hadn't turned the camera back on again. I'm not very professional, am I? So this is the only one you've seen me do. I've also got this one, and for that I just inked up 2 of the lines and stamped in between. and used this and this stamp. And then for this one, I used the number 8, and then I just put a line using that at each end, and then use this stamp just to stamp that half there and that half there. And then this one was using this 5 here, and then the number 6, and then just one of those lines in between. And then this one was using the 9 and the 3 that I just used. And this was 2 lines. So what I did there, I just inked that one, missed a line and inked that one, and then put a number through the middle. Any number can do. I can't find the number I actually used. That's not very good, is it? But anyway, and then I just stamped this number in between the 2 lines. So this is my 5 tags I've made. Now the only problem is it's going to be a short video because I didn't show you stamping all of them, only that one. But you get the idea anyway. Now, one of the other things I want to do is take this with the walnut stain and just go over I'll move these 2 I'm leaving as they are, and I'm just going to take another sheet of paper here and just stamp over some of these freckles, as I call them, dots. Like that. I think it just gives it a bit extra with it. I think I might just do some. Stamp that off, wipe it off. There, in the middle as well. A few more down there. Yeah. Okay, and then I've also got the stencil here that I'm going to take the green one. That one I'm going to leave, I think. I'm going to take the green one and the scorched timber. Not that. This. And just put some of it onto here. So that one's got the stencil. I'm not sure which stencil it is. It's this Tim Holtz one. Okay. I'm now going to take some of this. This again is some of that card from Tim Holtz, and I'm going to do the holes at the top here, and I will make this about I'm not sure how wide I'm going to do, the 1/2 inch. Yeah, I think I'll cut it 1/2 inch strip down here. Yeah. Then I'm just going to cut the corners off at the edge, just a little bit, like that. Ink around. And then glue it onto the top. Like that. Thinking I might ink this up a little bit more. I haven't asked how you are. Hope you're all okay. Mark's hand is healing slowly, but and the weather has certainly turned lovely and warm. So I'll carry on with these and do the rest of these. Then I punch a hole. It's not quite straight, is it? It will be okay. In each of these. I have a spare piece of this butcher's twine that I think I will put through this one. And then I have some string. I think we'll go through the others. Okay, there we go. And I need to really apologise that you didn't see it all. And how they were all made. However, not a lot I can do. I could have started the video all over again, but I've got so far through it, I thought, no, I need to just do it and then let you know how I did them all. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. And I've got to stop saying so and okay. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed what you did see. As I say, it's quite simple. You just collect all your number stamps and then design something on them. As I say, you just saw that one, but these were all quite simple and straightforward afterwards. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I will speak to you all again soon in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.